Today I'm going to be teaching you a free love spell that works in minutes. If you do this accordingly the way I'm going to show you in this video, it's going to work for you like fire. What I'm teaching you today, it's an ancient love spell that has been tried for centuries and it's worked like fire. If you're somebody that has been unlucky in relationship, your husband or your wife or your girlfriend doesn't love you as they should, and you want them to always love you, to be yours forever, to always think about you, to always dream about you, to always spend time with you, to always spend their money for you, you should do this powerful spiritual spell. Do this powerful love spell right now and you will thank yourself that you did. Are you ready for this powerful love spell? Okay, let's do this. My name is Precious and this is Precious Spiritual TV. So now, what you're going to do is this. You're going to get these items for this powerful love spell. Okay? You need to get your own photo, okay? And his or her own photo. The photo of your boyfriend, the photo of your girlfriend, or the photo of your wife, or the photo of your husband. Now, it may be their real photo. It may be the photo that you have to have a printout of their photo. Okay, so make sure you print their photo out. Maybe you print it out from your computer, or you can print them out somehow. Make sure you get a printout of it. So now, once you get that, you're going to get a marker. Okay, before you write that, so you can get a marker, right? Make sure you get some rice. Okay, make sure you get some rice. Any rice will do for this. Make sure you get some container. Okay, some container that has a lid to cover it. So you're going to get that, and you're going to get the last one, which is honey. Okay, I have honey in this thing here. So you get to get honey. Once you get all of that, you are ready to do this. Now, you are going to make sure you stay in a very quiet environment, because love spell like this require you to be in a quiet environment where you can manifest deeply with this. Now, you are going to make sure that you clear your mind. You make sure you are in a good mood when you're doing this powerful spiritual love spell. So once all of that is ready, now you're ready to do this. So I really want you to watch this demonstration so that you can even demonstrate it along as I do this. Okay, so now once you have the photo and everything, you have to make sure you get the honey. Just put some honey, okay, on the paper. Make sure you get some honey on the paper like that. So once you get honey on the paper, so you see on the photo, right? You're going to take your own photo too. You glue this together. Okay, that's a powerful one. So you see, that's your photo and their photo. It's there. So now on the side where you have their photo, we're going to write it there like this, that love me forever. Love me forever. Whatever you want to happen, okay, that's what you're going to write on their own photo, right? Remember, you glue your own photo to their own photo. So you make sure that on their own photo, you will write what you want to happen. If you want them to love you together, to spend time with you, to always think about you, to always dream about you, that's what you're going to write on their own photo. So after that, you're going to grab a jar, the jar that you have. Make sure you pour the rice in there. Okay, pour some rice in there like this. Now, you may be asking, okay, what does this rice mean? This rice means abundance. It means love. It means prosperity. It means attraction. It means abundance. You get what I'm saying? When you have everything in abundance, okay, these work perfectly with what you're doing. That's why we're using the rice. Okay, so after that you're going to put this photo. If it is too big to put to fold, you can fold it. Okay, just fold it and place it in the rice, in the bottle. Okay, you place it in the bottle like that. See, it's in there. So you have to make sure that this paper goes deep to make sure that the rice sits on top of it. See that? That's what is going to happen. You only make sure that some rice is on the photo in the thing. So now once that has happened, now you are going to say this powerful chant. Please, I really want you to listen to this so that by the time you leave this video, you will know exactly what to say, the prayer you say. You will say, as I put your name, I mean your photo, my photo in here, we are bonded together in love. We are bonded together in peace. We are bonded together in marriage, in relationship. You continue to say everything like that. Say that prayer like your life depending on it. Okay, after that, you are going to cover this up like this. Okay, cover it up, and you're going to keep this. You can keep it on your window. The reason why you have to keep it on your window is you have to let the sun energy fall on this. Okay, with everything in there, the sun energy has to be on this, or you can keep it under the moon energy overnight to let the moon energy fall upon it. Okay, so now you can keep it for like 24 hours outside or on your window. After this has done, it has made it more powerful, more energetic, more spiritual, more binding in such a way that it will start to work like fire. So after that, you're going to take this, you are going to keep it under your bed. You can keep it under your bed. You may decide to put it in your wardrobe. You may decide to keep it somewhere that is safe. If you like, you can even dig the ground and bury it down there and leave it there and say your prayer. Once you've done all of that, just say that he or she will love me together. He or she will come to me. He or she will be mine forever. He or she, you get what I'm saying? And you say, thank you, the universe. Thank you, God, for answering my prayer. Thank you so much for answering my prayer. It is done. So shall it be. So moted it. And it is done. So now you only have to do this once, just one time. And that's a free spell right there that work within a minute. You get what I'm saying? Once you've done all the preparations, all the activation, once you activated everything, you put it out there, it will start to work faster. So a lot of people have tried this and they came back with powerful testimonies, and I really want you to do it. Don't just try this, make sure you do it and come back and share your experiences on my channel. This is very powerful. You don't want to joke with this. And if you love what I've done in this video, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. For more spiritual videos, please go watch these videos over there. They will definitely bless you. They will bring money, prosperity, love, everything you desire to you by the power and the mighty name of God. If you love this channel, just press this subscribe button and make sure you ring the bell so that you can always get my video every single day. All right, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.